Here we are with more Blizzard 2016 coverage. I'm Zeke Stoltzfus. We have a report from Donna Lee in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. Donna.
So, Zeke, this is the total snowfall in Hummelstown. Kind of hard to... There it is. 23 inches. Hey Zeke, this is what we got in Hummelstown, PA. I decided I have to go down to my car to get my boots out, and when I came outside, I realized that it's so deep, the boots probably aren't going to be high enough anyway. So, here goes. If you're wondering, and I'm sure you probably are, there are 19 steps here. And I missed the last one. Oh my God, the snow is up to my knees. So I'm pretty sure that the boots aren't going to work anyway. Nor am I even going to try to dig them out. So the train just went. That's the first one I've heard since I've been up at 8 o'clock. And the tracks are covered.
Now we have a picture coming in from Nolani in Hershey, Pennsylvania. This is what the snow looks like there. And New York City, Chessie reporting back in with a couple of new pictures that she had sent to us. Well, we're going to have a lot more coverage for you as the day continues right here on the Blizzard of 2016. This is Zeke Stoltzfus. And don't drive if you don't have to.